So tonight's dinner is going to be lentil soup, which I made in this, I kind of pre-made it. It's lentils with all the seasonings, and there's even the bouillon cube in here somewhere. I think that's it. And yeah, so all I have to do is put this in a pot and add water and a little bit of tomato sauce, and boom, lentil soup. Let's get it going. Okay, so got the lentils in the pot, and all we have to do is add the right amount of water. You actually need quite a bit of water for lentils. They absorb quite a bit. I've already learned my lesson with that. So there we go. We're going to put in that much water. I expect a little bit of it to evaporate anyway. Now we just need to wait for the fire to die down, and we'll get this cooking. I also decided it's time to use the mini Dutch oven. I practiced with it enough while I was at home. It's time to put it in a campfire. I've got in there some potatoes and onions and some sausage and some seasoning, which is paprika, turmeric, I think a little cumin, and a little bit of salt. And we're going to wait for the fire to die down until it's some nice coals. And we're going to shove that right on in there as an added bonus. Woo! Now we got a ways to go. All right. Look at this. We got ourselves some lentil soup. It's looking pretty good. I think I'm going to take that off now and let it set and cool so I can eat it. Yeah. That lentil soup out of there. And now I got my Dutch oven going. As soon as this fire dies down, it's going to provide some nice coals and cook up some nice sausage and potatoes and onions.